This is a fit for a 2016 through 2019 and likely beyond Honda Pilot with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium WingBar EVO base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar EVO 135 load bars in silver, 53 inches in length, the 460R Rapid Podium Foot pack, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the rubber boots and metal brackets which connect to the fixed point connections on the inner edges of the flush side rail. This is part number KIT 3132. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location at 32 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.